Hey y'all, welcome back to Hanging in the Holler. I'm Lynn, and it is a beautiful day. It's a little cloudy, but it is gorgeous. It's about 50 degrees. Sun's been a shining. A few clouds are rolling in, but a little light breeze, but it's really, really nice. I noticed that my bird feeders were getting pretty low because they have really been eating them up, at least this one. And I wondered why this one was going so quickly when I had this one. But you can see, I think you can see in there, there's nothing in there. It is dry as a bone. So I'm gonna go down here and fill this one up and bring it back, and I may go ahead and fill that one back up too. And then go in and get a few other things done. But I do love that sunshine. We've had a lot of rain up our way, so the sun is really nice to see. Birds are flying and singing. Nice day. I keep my bird seed in this trash can right here. It's got a split to it, but I don't think anything's been in it. No mice or nothing. So this is a 40-pound bag of classic blend wild bird seed. Came from Rural King. I got it the last time I was over there, and it's been pretty handy. Like I say, this lid does have a crack in it, but I don't see any signs of any mice or anything getting in here, so they must be finding enough feed elsewhere. I really need a funnel for this, but I don't have one. I'm just going to try not to lose too much into my can here. Lose a little bit. Probably can't see down in here, but I'm trying to keep it over the bag. So when he does lose, it comes right down through there, hopefully. Bend that up, that looks a little bit better. There we go. There, starting to fill up from the bottom. I don't know how much this one holds. It holds quite a bit though. Gonna keep filling it up. Trying not to lose too much. Full. I can hear it starting to dump at the top there. Well, we're past the windows. So what's going on? Got that. The top was gone to this one, and I never did find it, so I asked Travis to fabricate me something, and he came up with this little wood wedge. Fits right down in there. Works just fine. We'll go put this one back up, and I'll get the other one and fill it up too. Okay, here's the other one. thought this one's really pretty. It's like a little gazebo. It's got a little push button here. You lift the top off. And of course, this one's a whole lot easier to fill. Okay, tighten that down. That's it. Got them filled. We'll go hang it back up. That one up. And that one. There we go. Alright. We got a lot of doves and titmice and a few little bluebirds actually too that come and eat here. The doves come and eat quite often, so I think that's where all the seed went to. But I think they're going to be pretty pleased to have a full buffet back, and we can enjoy them from the living room. So that's about the most outdoorsy stuff we've gotten done today, but you take advantage of the weather when you got it and you do what you can. So hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy these videos. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you will. Help me out there, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.